Hey everybody, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2023 Bennington 20 SV. Guys, this is a pontoon, full 25-inch pontoon logs. Beautiful boat. It's got the red with the silver Simtex upholstery, which I'll show you on the interior here shortly. Of course, it does come with a full 10-foot bimini top. Again, this is a 20-foot SV series Bennington. Guys, this is going to be rigged with a Yamaha outboard, and it will also have a ski tow bar. Guys, stepping aboard the boat here, boarding from the back. You'll see it does have the L-shaped chase lounge. Guys, this right here flips up, ton of storage. Your battery's also located back here. Again, full Simtex upholstery on all your seats. Guys, looking at the helm, you'll see it does have the kicker stereo with the Garmin Striker 4 flush mounted in the dash with your mechanical controls or gauges. Guys, beautiful boat here. Nice full-length loungers with 2 portable cup holders. Guys, these can move throughout the boat anywhere you'd like to put them. Of course, Bennington has a ton of storage underneath all your seats. Guys, this boat is currently available at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. For more info, please give us a call or stop by our showroom. We have plenty of boats to see. Thank you. Have a great day.